everybody. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day, not only myself but also my 3 toddlers, and I'm also pregnant. Hi. She's a ham. I'm also pregnant. I'm almost 13 weeks pregnant and I'm still breastfeeding. So my diet is kind of all over the place between like cravings and still dealing with sickness, mostly at night, but sometimes like throughout the day as well. So I never really know exactly what I'm gonna be eating in the day. So I'm still having my coffee every morning. In the beginning of the pregnancy, I could only have iced coffee, and that happens to me with every pregnancy, which is really funny. But I do a little bit of vanilla oat milk, some half and half, and whipped cream. And I've been loving having it in my Yeti cup just because it keeps it so much warmer for longer. The kids had some cereal in their snack cup, just as a little pre-breakfast snack because they woke up a little bit earlier today to give Chris and I some time to drink our coffee. So I'm starting off with Ella's breakfast, which Ella, what is this? Oatmeal? I love how she says oatmeal, but she requested oatmeal for breakfast. This is just an apple cinnamon oatmeal that she really likes, and it's made with oat milk, and I'm just gonna microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. More turkey, please? Yeah. Also, Ella has been snacking on some honey turkey. That's like her favorite thing. More? Okay, you can have more while you wait for oatmeal, okay? Carter is also a big fan of turkey. I always like to transfer the kids' oatmeal to another plate just to help it cool off faster. Alright, so Carter is having dinosaur oatmeal. Now, he's not allowed to have this every day, and Ella doesn't really eat that oatmeal every day. We try to like switch up their breakfast, but this is probably like pure sugar, but he loves it. So he's having this for breakfast today, and I know a lot of people are like, you make so many different things for your kids, but my kids all have different dietary restrictions too, and basically I just want them to eat. So Carter gets almond milk in his oatmeal. Ella is allergic to almonds, so she can't have it. Now it's finally time for Tan Man. So while Carter's oatmeal is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make Tanner some scrambled eggs with cheese. Tanner is my pickiest eater of all, so if I can get some protein and some healthy things into him first thing in the morning, it kind of just like helps me throughout the day worry a little less about him.
I like eggs and bread and waffles, so I had to eat the eggs because my mom said so.
Enjoy. Enjoy! So the kids are fed. They did pretty good with breakfast. I'm gonna show you like just exactly how much they ate so you can see the real life of all of this, because you never know how much your kids are gonna eat. But I'm gonna finally feed both myself and Everly, and I'm starting with a daily harvest smoothie. The same thing I said about Tanner, like trying to get those nutrients in first thing because you don't know how the rest of the day is gonna go. It's the same thing with me, and that basically explains my pregnancy in a nutshell. Like I try to eat as healthy as I can when I'm feeling good, because you never know like what I'm gonna want when I'm feeling sick. So I'm starting with this smoothie. If you don't know what Daily Harvest is, I absolutely love them, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this portion of the video. This is I think this is my 3rd time ordering from them. Daily Harvest delivers thoughtfully sourced food right to your door. Everything is chef curated, built on fruits and vegetables, and just amazing for you. Very convenient with minimal ingredients that you can see right on the side of their packaging. Daily Harvest believes that to live your best life, you need to give yourself the best foods. That's why they made Daily Harvest, and everything that they have is full of nutrients, and it's very convenient. There's no mess about it. It's so easy. You just order online, you customize your own box with whatever you want in it. Everything is developed by nutritionists and made by a chef. So after you order everything, you just wait for it and it arrives on your doorstep frozen. They freeze everything at its peak, so everything stays super fresh and delicious. There's no mess. All you have to do is add liquid and blend. soak or heat. There's no mess, no prep, and just very convenient. And you don't have to sacrifice nutrition by having these convenient little meals. Daily Harvest also has dietary flexibility, which is amazing because my entire family is gluten-free, but they also have, besides gluten-free options, keto and paleo. They got you covered. They have very unique recipes that even the pickiest eaters will eat. I will show you, I'll insert a clip here from the other day when I was eating one of their harvest bowls. Both Ella and Carter helped me finish it. I've tried all of their products and love them. They have smoothies, harvest bowls, chia bowls, oat bowls, soups, and even lattes. So let's get into making my smoothie because I need it. Went to the freezer and they're already ransacking for snacks. Tanner, did you even finish your breakfast yet?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Good job. Okay, everyone's having applesauce now. All right. So here are just some of the smoothies that I haven't used yet. I'm sad because my favorite one is gone. It was like a mint and chocolate. I'll insert it here. I think I have a clip of that too, but I'm definitely gonna order a lot more of those because I really like that as well. I think I'm gonna go with mango and papaya. That sounds really good today. And you can see all of the ingredients right on the side, very clear. Also, while we're in here, I cannot wait to have some of these tonight. These are delicious. These are new from Daily Harvest. A lot of you saw me eating these on my stories and asked about them, but now they're available to you as well, and they're called scoops. Daily Harvest literally has something for every time of day. They even have flatbreads, which I didn't know. I need to try that as well. But these scoops help with all of my chocolate cravings this pregnancy. And Chris, my husband, he cannot stand avocado and he loves these scoops. It seriously tastes amazing. This one is my favorite and you can see it's called Ooey Gooey Midnight Fudge. It literally tastes like salted chocolate ganache, like so decadent, but you feel good eating it. And again, those simple ingredients just listed right on the side here. So incredibly convenient, easy. Just take the top off. Look how delicious and fresh this fruit is. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour liquid in to the top. I'm just using oat milk. This is my favorite oat milk currently. Just going to pour it right into my blender. Now it's all blended, just pour it right back into your cup, put the lid on and add a straw. So delicious, that is so refreshing. It reminds me of my honeymoon in Punta Cana. So Daily Harvest gave me both a link and a code to share with you so that you can get $25 off of your first box. Check out the link in my description box and use code Beastons25 and I'll put that on screen here as well. So I'm gonna go drink my smoothie. The kitchen is a hot mess and let me show you exactly what the kids ate. I think they all did really well. Ella had a lot of oatmeal on here, plus she had a bunch of turkey and all of that. Carter did pretty good. Sometimes he lacks on fruit. I might be adding fruit to their lunch as well. And see, this is what I mean. Tanner, you'll see throughout the day, I'm sure, but he eats amazing at breakfast time and everything else is like much slower and a little bit more picky. All right guys, it's a little bit before lunchtime. I'll probably have lunch in like another half hour, but I was craving some salt. We're outside playing, so these are one of my favorite chips of all time. Not just pregnant, just ever. So they're not as bad as regular potato chips, but sometimes I just like crave salty, and these do it for me.
Thank you for everyone. I broke the top.
All right, it's snack time. Carter, what did you get everybody?
String cheese.
Thank you, buddy. You're not gonna peel your string cheese?
I am.
You are. Ella, what are you eating? String cheese. Are you a peeler or a biter today? You're always a peeler? Carter just walked outside and he helped himself to another snack. What is that?
It's looks like Cheetos.
Baked Cheetos. Tanner, what are you eating now? Pretzel. And Sissy, you got your snack cup too? Alright, so we got Ella and Tanner down for naps. Carter doesn't nap anymore on most days. So since they snack so much, we put them down for a nap, and then when they wake up, we'll do lunch for them. I'm making a super, again, easy is the theme here, easy lunch for myself, and then Chris, I think, is just gonna have some lunch meat turkey, and then we're gonna figure out lunch for the kids. So these are some of my favorites, especially when I'm pregnant. But I'm making chicken pot stickers. Chicken and meat in general is very hit or miss for me, especially during pregnancy. But this is, I'm feeling like I could eat this right now. So I'm gonna make this very easy. Okay, so here is my lunch. I'm probably gonna wind up eating all of them. And then Chris and I are gonna share some edamame. It looks like you tested one out. We just do a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar on it.
Good, right?
Ella is awake from her nap. We're still waiting for Tanman to wake up. Let me see your tongue. She had a dum-dum, so that wasn't recorded, but she had a dum-dum. Is it good? So Carter decided he wanted a second lunch even though he ate a lot of my lunch. So we're just doing hot dogs. Okay, 1 second, sweetheart. We're just doing hot dogs. I always cut them lengthwise. That's a big deal because they're choking hazards, and I still cut Ella's like lengthwise and then into smaller pieces. And then they're having some veggie straws. So you can see right here, I just get this big bag from Costco and some ketchup. I'm still waiting for Tanman to wake up. So I have his hot dog being made right now. And then I think I'm gonna go wake him up. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. I also love drinking these sparkling waters because they just help with the nausea and they're refreshing and there's really nothing in them. So Tanner only ate half of his hot dog. This is what I was talking about. It's me as a child because I was the pickiest eater and I really didn't like meat at all when I was little. Also, I'm always like, tell me anything in the world that you want to eat and I will give it to you. And it's always things that we recently found out he's allergic to. So we're gonna slowly be reintroducing things back into his diet and see how he does. But one of those things is peanut butter, and that was a huge lunch item for him. He loved peanut butter and jelly. So yeah, that's just a little backstory. We do give our kids a bunch of supplements. If you wanna know about our supplements, let me know in the comments below, but they're on a ton of supplements, so that makes me feel better knowing that they're getting vitamins that way as well for days like this when they're not getting a lot of nutrients in their food. But it is time for me to have coffee before I go to sleep. And yes, it's okay for pregnant people to have 2 cups of coffee a day. Former NICU nurse and did it with all my babies. So I think I'm going to have, I'm not really feeling flavor right now, so I'm just gonna do this one. This one's really good if you have an espresso machine. You're welcome. 5 minutes after lunch, Carter has decided he will like a banana. And back outside we go. We are sitting out back and Tanner and Ella now decided that they would like a banana as well. I told Ella, she comes at me with a snack cup. She wants some kind of snack. It's about a little after 4 o'clock. And I said, no, we gotta have dinner. And what do you say?
No.
Why? Why?
Go.
What?
Go.
Why no dinner?
Okay.
Cause why?
Okay.
Cause why?
Okay.
It's yummy.
No. I got it.
Alright guys, we just got back from a walk and I'm starting dinner. It's around 4:47. And I just have some chicken thighs marinated with some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the grill. It's raw chicken, baby, so be careful. Yeah. So the initial plan was to make lettuce wraps with the barbecue chicken thighs and like a yummy mango salsa, but this is a time where I get so sick, so that's how I'm feeling right now. So I'm gonna try to eat one of these bars. I eat at least one of these a day just because they help my nausea. So I'm gonna try to eat that and then just hope that I can eat dinner. So the kids did really good with their dinner, so they get dessert. And for dessert, they're having just some Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt with some chocolate chips and some sprinkles. Better option than ice cream. The kids are asleep, and I had so many plans to like meal prep tonight, like kind of just like get some more of our produce ready, cut watermelon and all of that stuff, but right now the only thing I can even comprehend the thought of eating is cereal. So I'm gonna have cereal and watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. So this is the cereal that I'm having, and then I'm just having it with some oat milk, and this is a massive bowl of cereal, I know. So I'm feeling good for a little nightcap. First of all, you better save some for me.
We'll see.
I told you guys earlier today that I was like really impressed by Daily Harvest scoops, because this one, you can't pay him to eat avocados, and he loves it. This is our second pint of this. So anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. You're gonna share that with me, right? You sure?
Gotta get your own spoon though.
Definitely not moving out of bed. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to get $25 off of your first box of Daily Harvest, I'm going to have all that information linked in the description box below, but use code Beastons25, and I will see you in the next one on Sunday.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.